Now that May is already here, I'm back with 3 more winning products for you to sell. Remember to sign up for our winning products newsletter if you haven't already, and leave a like if this video helps you. My name's Alex, let's get started. All right, let's go over the 3 products that I have selected for May. And I actually happened to find all 3 of these products last night. So the first one that I have for you guys is this adjustable firearm sighter from AliExpress. And you guys can see this product in the lower right hand corner. So it's just a laser that you insert into any rifle that you are trying to sight, and you align the scope on the target with the laser, and you guys can sight any rifle perfectly. So it's definitely a problem solver product, and it is a great accessory for hunters and really any gun enthusiast. So I chose this product because outdoor shooting ranges are opening up again, and we're still seeing the significant increase in firearm sales from the last few years, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. So the cost of this little laser is $14.86. And you guys can sell this for $49.99 or $50. And honestly, I've seen other stores selling it for a lot more, but that's just a really comfortable pricing point that I set. So you guys are getting $35.13 per sale for a profit margin of 70%. So this is a great product with great margins. So if you guys are getting started testing this product on Facebook, the 3 interests that I would start out with would be like hunting, guns, and sport shooting. And you guys can go ahead with all of those. So let's look at some other stores that are selling this product, see what they're doing good and what you guys can improve on your own stores if you decide to sell this product. All right, so here is the laser sighter on Daily Steals. And they have a couple images right here thrown on from AliExpress. So they're selling this for $52.99 with free shipping. And they're offering a 30-day warranty. And then they also include a 1-year warranty, 2-year warranty for an upsell. They should include some quantity breaks on here, get people to buy a couple of these instead of just one. Let's see the description though. They don't have any reviews. I would definitely import some reviews if I was this store and I didn't have any yet. And they could definitely put a lot more into their description when you're selling a $50 product. So they're not really convincing the users to buy this product, and it just looks like they're a general store. So their focus really isn't on this product. I don't know how many of these they're selling, but this product page really could use some improvement. So let's look at the next one, and hopefully they have a little bit more on their page. Okay, so this one looked a little bit better. So this is the Easy Shoot Bore Sighter Bore Sight Kit. So they have a few more pictures on here, probably from AliExpress, where it looks like they cleaned up this and made some of their own custom content. And honestly, it looks really good. So they have the scarcity tactic on here. Don't miss out, there are only 2 left in stock. They're selling it for $34.03 each. With free shipping, so they have their shipping options and everything else on here. They really don't have a product description, it looks like. Oh yeah, they do. So they just have the features next to the laser right here, and then where it says product description, it's just some basic AliExpress copy description. So it's really not that good. They don't have any reviews posted on here. They have their shop guarantees and all their trust badges, but they could definitely improve on the description. Definitely write like a compelling description to convince the customer why they should buy this item from you, especially compared to your competitors, and add some reviews on there as well as upsells. But this is definitely a lot better from the last store that we were looking at, but they could definitely use a lot more improvements as well. Okay, so this is the last store that I found selling this product, and honestly, it's by far the best. So it looks like a one product store. They have their entire store branded around this one product, and they're using GIFs of the product in action, telling how it works. They just have a really good description down here, a really good product page. So then it brings you over here to buy it. It's $44.95. They have upsells in place: buy 2, save 8, buy 3, save 15, and buy 4, save 30. Full range of capabilities, as you guys can see right here, .177 to 50 cal. Shipping information, their shop guarantees, customer reviews. So this is by far the best product page selling this product. You guys definitely want to take some notes of what this brand is doing. Whether you're selling this as a one product store, adding this onto your own store if it fits, you guys could definitely take notes from this page right here by using some of the GIFs of the product in action, showing how it works, how to use it, and why it's for you. They definitely did a great job telling their story, and then they have their 10% off discount code in the corner. So they really could clean up the website a little bit better. I don't know if it's exactly professional looking and the best built website that I've seen, but it's definitely by far the best product page that I've seen for this specific product. So let's move on and talk about the second one. All right, the second winning product that I have for you guys this month is this magnetic aquarium cleaner from AliExpress. You guys can see this in the lower right hand corner again. You guys attach it to one side of the aquarium and then the magnetic cleaner attaches to the other side, and you just clean out your aquarium that way. So I said this is the perfect solution for those with fish and aquariums. It's instant and convenient cleaning, and also the AliExpress listing is packed with videos for you to use for your own content and your ads. So the cost of this product is $11.13 with free shipping. I would sell it for $39.99 or $40 for a profit of $28.86 per sale, with a profit margin of 72%, so even more than the last one. And the three interests that I would start out targeting with this product would be fish, aquariums, and cleaning. So let's go ahead really quickly and look at a store that's already selling this product and what they're doing. All right, so we're here on another general store called Her Behalf, and this is the mini magnetic aquarium glass cleaner brush. So I like the content that they have right here. They have a really good high quality product image of it, and then they have their own branding in the bottom corner here as well. And then they include some of the video content from the AliExpress listing of the product in use on their product page, and they probably use that for their ads as well. So they're selling it for $40, and they have their about this item and specification. So it looks honestly kind of copied from AliExpress. They really didn't put too much attention and detail into writing this product description. It could use a lot more detail, as well as some upsells, scarcity tactics, some other things that these other stores are doing to kind of convince the customer to buy from you right then and there. They do have their shipping policy right here though. Delivery time 5 to 10 days, returnable within 7. And then like I said, it's just a general store, so they have Discover More products with some of their other similar or related products, and then just more about their brand. So there's really not that much that went into this product page. They're missing really good description, customer reviews, and just some of the tactics to get the customers to purchase this item from you. So I don't know if I would spend the $40 with Her Behalf just based on this product description if I was a customer. So definitely keep that in mind and put a lot more into writing your own descriptions. All right, the third and final product that I have for you guys is this mini desk vacuum. So it's right there in the lower right hand corner. You guys can see what the product looks like. It's like one of those robot vacuums that you let run across your house when you're not home, and it does all of the cleaning for you. And I said everybody loves a clean space. How about a desktop robot vacuum that does all of the cleaning for you? This makes for the perfect office accessory. We could all use a little help. And there's also an increased demand for products like this due to work from home sticking around after COVID. So this is a problem-solving product and a tech item, so there's high perceived value that customers don't know about. So this little robot vacuum right here only cost $14, but you could sell it for $59.99 and even more for a profit of $45.99 per sale, and that's a 77% profit margin. So the three interests that I would start off targeting on Facebook with this product would be office, work, and desk. So let's look at a couple stores that are already selling this product and what they're doing right, and once again, what you guys can do to improve on it yourself. All right, so I found this product once again on Mashable Shop, and it's the portable mini tabletop vacuum cleaner. So they're selling it for $13.99, and I don't know how they're getting away with that when it's already such high priced on AliExpress itself. So they must be getting this product super cheap from one of their suppliers, because they have the compare at price as $29, even lower than I would sell this product for. So they have 3 high quality images right here of the product itself. Then they have the upsells by adding a warranty to it. They should include quantity breaks on here, to be honest, to get people to buy more than one, especially if you're only selling it for $14. And then they have the description. It looks like most of it's copied from AliExpress. Once again, they didn't put too much effort into this. They have related deals right here, so it looks like a general store with deals on some of their other products. Doesn't even really look related. And then they have some of their best sellers down here, so no reviews, no branding or anything. So yeah, it's just another product on a general store. They could add a lot more to the description, add quantity breaks, reviews, and all of that to convince them to buy from you. But for $13.99, I'm still shocked on how they got this price point so low for this product. All right, so I just found this product once again from Only Shopee, and they don't even have a domain name. It's onlyshopee.myshopify.com, so this could be a new store. But this is the mini desktop vacuum cleaner. They're selling it for $35.56, and then they have the ships from option only from USA. They really could clean up their color options as well. They didn't change anything from AliExpress. So yeah, they should remove all the numbers and USB style and everything else and just include the colors under the color options. But I like the call to action, grab yours now. And then they have some high quality content of this product with still the original AliExpress branding on it though. So I don't know how high quality this content is when they really didn't go through and clean it up. It says the following problems are solved. So it shows any issues that this could go and clean up. So I like the gifts that they have of this product in use, showing the different features and uses of the product. They have some great content in the description, as well as their shop guarantee, no reviews, related products. So once again, it's a general store. So I like all the images and the GIFs and everything that they use in the description, but they should include more paragraphs, kind of storytelling of what this product is, how it works, why this customer should purchase this product, what it does for them, your shop guarantees, everything else. So they should go through and tell a story within their own description, but they're just solely relying on the images and GIFs and everything that they took from AliExpress. So it could be cleaned up a little bit better. Same thing, like quantity breaks and stuff, get people to buy more of the same item. You know, add scarcity on there if you want to, but definitely add reviews. You guys need those on your product pages to really get the customers to buy from you instead of going elsewhere. But yeah, a lot more detail, a lot more effort into this description, and it would sell a lot better. I hope you were able to find at least one product to sell this month. If you did, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. Don't forget to sign up for our Winning Products newsletter, as well as all of our other resources below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.